Good morning to you students and welcome back to our history class for the day. Children, in the previous class, I had given you a revision. In today's class, I will be giving you revision 2, but before that, I will be solving the answers with you of revision 1 and then we will proceed to revision 2. I hope all of you have solved the answers of revision 1 and it's ready with you for your answers to be checked. So we begin. Answers to revision 1. The first question. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct alternatives from the options given below. The first sentence. Bahirji Nayak was the head of the dash department. Answer is intelligence. The second question, second sentence. Aurangzeb was frustrated by the bravery of dash. Answer Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. The third one. Shivaji Maharaj entrusted the responsibility of organizing the land revenue system to dash. Answer Annaji Datto. The fourth one. The dash joined hands with the emperor against Sambhaji Maharaj. Answer the Portuguese. Question 2. Name the following. The first one. Wife of Chhatrapati Rajaram. Answer Maharani Tarabai. The second one. Two main divisions of Shivaji's army. Answer Infantry and Cavalry. Third one. He put the Raigad fort under siege. Answer Zulfikar Khan. The fourth one. The main occupation of the people in the villages. Answer Agriculture. Question 3. Answer the following in one sentence. Question 1. Who would look after the war materials in the fort? Answer. The Karkhanis would look after the war materials in the fort. Question 2. Who took away the golden pinnacles from the emperor's own tent? Answer. Santaji Ghorpade and Vithoji Chauhan took away the golden pinnacles from the emperor's own tent. Question 3. What were the names of the battleships in the navy of Shivaji Maharaj? Answer. Gurab, Galbat and Pal were the names of the battleships in the navy of Shivaji Maharaj. Question 4. Which poet has described the valor of Maharani Tarabai? Answer. The poet Devdatta has described the valor of Maharani Tarabai. Question 4. Answer the following in brief. Why did Sambhaji Maharaj return halfway from the Janjira campaign? Answer. Sambhaji Maharaj started a campaign against him in 1682. His army laid a siege to Siddhi's Danda Rajapuri fort and battered the fort of Janjira with the artillery. But At the same time, the Mughal army invaded Swaraj. Sambhaji Maharaj had to abandon the Janjira campaign and turn back. Hence, Sambhaji Maharaj returned halfway from the Janjira campaign. Question 2. Give an account of Shivaji's policy regarding agriculture. Answer. The following are Shivaji Maharaj's policy regarding agriculture. Point 1. He entrusted the responsibility of organizing the land revenue system to his capable and experienced office bearer Annaji Datto. Point 2. He warned the officers that they should not collect more revenue than the amount that was fixed. Question 3. He encouraged peasants to bring uncultivated land under cultivation. Question 4. If the crop was lost due to excessive rains or drought, or if an enemy army had devastated the area of the village, remissions were granted in land revenue and other taxes. Point 5. Maharaj had instructed his officers to provide peasants with bullocks, plows, and good seeds for sowing. Civics. Question 5. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct answer from the options given below. The first one, all children between 6 and dash years of age are entitled to get education as a fundamental right. Answer 14. The second one, the writ which prevents a subordinate court from exceeding its jurisdiction is dash. Answer, prohibition. Question number 6. Answer the following in one sentence. State any two freedoms under right to liberty. Answer. Now there are many freedoms. I have mentioned all of them. You can mention any two. Freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, freedom of movement, freedom of residence, and freedom of profession. Question 2. Where can we approach in case our rights are being infringed? Answer. We can approach the court in case our rights are being infringed. Question 7. Answer the following in brief. What is meant by right to constitutional remedies? Answer. In case of encroachment of fundamental rights, the Indian citizen's right to get judicial remedies is also a fundamental right. This is called the right to constitutional remedies. This means the Constitution itself has provided for legal remedies in case people's rights get violated. So, it becomes a constitutional duty of the courts to protect the rights of the people. Question 2. What do you understand by fundamental rights? Answer. The Indian Constitution has guaranteed equal rights to all citizens in order to create this conducive atmosphere. These rights are fundamental rights as they are included in the Constitution. They have the status of law. It is imperative for everybody to abide by these rights. So this was the last question and answer of revision 1. We now move ahead to revision 2. Students, kindly copy all the questions of revision 2 and see to it that you attempt and solve it. History revision 2, question 1. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct answer from the options given below. The first one. Shivaji Maharaj had appointed a council of dash ministers. Your options are 4, 8 and 7. The second one. Dash fought very bravely in the Goa battle. Option A. Yesaji Kank. Option B. Nemaji Shinde. And option C. Pralhad Niraji. The third one. Dash was the highest officer in the cavalry. A. Sarnobat. B. Havaldar. Or C. Nayak. Question 2. Name the following. First, officers of the infantry. Question 2. Eldest son of Shivaji Maharaj. Question 3. He escaped from the besieged Raigad fort. Question 3. Answer the following in one sentence. The first one. Which sea fort was built by Maharaj near Malvan? Question 2. To whom did Rajaram Maharaj entrust the responsibility of protecting the Swaraj when he went to Jinji? Question 3. On what basis did Shivaji Maharaj select the council of Ashtapradhan Mandal? Civics. Question 4. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct answer from the options given below. The first one. We have protection from arrest without dash. Option A. Proof. Or option B. Warrant. The second one. Dash education cannot be made compulsory in educational institutions that get aid from the state. Option A. Political. Option B. Religious. Question 5. Answer the following in one sentence. The first one. According to which right the government cannot deprive you of a job by discriminating on the basis of religion, sex, or place of birth? The second question. What is certiorari? This was the last question of revision 2. Children, the answers of revision 2 will be displayed through the PDF assignment. So you can check your answers in the assignment section. Okay, this was all for now. Thank you.